Today we're exploring the Innova 3360 thermal camera, a tool that brings heat detection to our fingertips. Having used Innova products before, we've been impressed with their performance and reliability. Let's see how this one measures up. Right out of the box, the camera feels sturdy with its rugged rubber grip and compact design. It's well balanced and it fits comfortably in my hand. It features a 2-inch color display that provides real-time thermal data with 4 different color palettes: hot iron, white hot, black hot, and rainbow. The camera is IP54 rated, offering protection against dust, dirt, and oil, making it suitable for various environments. With a temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,112 degrees Fahrenheit, it's versatile for multiple applications. One of the standout features is its ability to capture and store images. We can download these with the included USB cable to review later. Speaking of capturing images, let me walk you through how to transfer those images to your computer. It's a super simple process. First, take the camera and connect it to your computer using the included USB cable. There's a micro USB port at the top of the camera where you plug it in. Once connected, turn the camera on. Your Windows PC should automatically detect it, and a new drive will pop up. From there, open File Explorer, click on the drive, and you'll see the saved thermal images right there, ready to be accessed or transferred. This makes it easy to review images later, analyze temperature patterns, and even share them if needed. In our home, we've used it to identify insulation gaps by detecting temperature variations around windows and doors. It's also been handy outdoors. While dialing in our grill, the camera helped us spot some uneven cooking areas. By correcting these issues, we can improve heat retention and make the grill run more efficiently. Beyond home use, this camera has plenty of practical applications: checking electrical panels for overheating, spotting HVAC inefficiencies, or even troubleshooting car engines. Overall, the Innova 3360 offers a step up from regular IR temperature guns by providing a visual representation of temperature differences, enhancing our ability to diagnose and address issues effectively. So, if you're looking for a thermal imaging tool that's easy to use, durable, and packed with features, the Innova 3360 is worth considering. Whether it's for home projects, outdoor cooking, or troubleshooting, this camera delivers useful insights at a glance.